Hey there, future forward thinkers. Welcome back to the channel where we help you master the newest technologies. And today's no different. We're gonna talk about AI jobs that you can start from home in 2025 that actually pay well. That's right. As an expert in artificial intelligence and someone who has worked with some of the most advanced tools out there like Chat, Bard, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion, I've discovered some lucrative opportunities for those looking to enter the AI industry. So if you're ready to dive into the world of AI and start earning some serious cash, stick around and let's explore these high-paying AI jobs together. So first up, we have AI Data Annotator. This is a job that involves labeling and categorizing data to help AI models understand and interpret information better. For example, you could be asked to review images and videos and tag them based on their content, or you might be responsible for transcribing audio recordings into text. The great thing about this job is that you don't need any specialized education or training to get started. All you need is attention to detail and the ability to follow instructions carefully. According to Glassdoor, the average hourly pay for an AI data annotator is $16 per hour, and the typical salary range is between $14 and $20 per hour. Now here are some websites where you can find these kinds of jobs: Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Figure 8, and Scale AI. Next up, we have AI Trainer. This is a more advanced role than an AI data annotator because it requires you to develop and refine AI models by feeding them with the right data sets. You'll work closely with engineers and developers to identify patterns and trends in data and use that information to improve the accuracy and efficiency of AI algorithms. Similar to our previous role, this job doesn't require a college degree, but having experience in data analysis or programming can be helpful. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AI trainer is $98,000 per year in the United States, but keep in mind that salaries can vary depending on your experience and location. Now here are some websites where you can find AI trainer jobs: Indeed, LinkedIn, and AI Job Board. Alright, moving on, we have a project manager. This is a great option for those who have strong organizational and leadership skills. As an AI project manager, you'll oversee the planning, execution, and completion of AI projects from start to finish. This includes defining project scope, setting deadlines, allocating resources, and managing budgets. While this job doesn't require you to be an expert in AI, you should have a good understanding of the technology and how it can be applied to real-world problems. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AI project manager is $136,000 per year. But keep in mind that this can vary based on your experience and the specific industry you work in. Here are some websites where you can find AI project manager jobs: ZipRecruiter, Monster, and Dice. Next up, we have AI customer support specialist. This is a customer-facing role where you'll be responsible for providing technical assistance to customers who are using AI products or services. You'll need to have a good understanding of the technology and be able to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Additionally, excellent communication and interpersonal skills are essential for this job. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AI customer support specialist is $57,000 per year, but keep in mind that this can vary based on your experience and the specific industry you work in. Now here are some websites where you can find AI customer support specialist jobs: Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. Moving on, we have AI content writer. Now this is a really exciting opportunity for those who enjoy writing and have a passion for AI. As an AI content writer, you'll create written materials such as blog posts, articles, and website copy that educate customers about AI products and services. You'll need to have a good understanding of AI technology and be able to communicate complex concepts in a clear and concise way. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AI content writer is $70,000 per year, but keep in mind that this can vary based on your experience and the specific industry you work in. Now here are some websites where you can find AI content writer jobs: ProBlogger, Upwork, and Fiverr. Next up, we have AI social media manager. Now this is another great opportunity for those who have a passion for social media and AI. As an AI social media manager, you'll use AI tools to manage and automate social media accounts for businesses. This includes scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing social media data. You'll need to have a good understanding of social media best practices and be able to use AI tools to improve efficiency. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AI social media manager is $75,000 per year. But keep in mind that this can vary based on your experience and the specific industry you work in. Now here are some websites where you can find AI social media manager jobs: LinkedIn, Indeed, and ZipRecruiter. Now moving on to the last one, iVideo Creator. This is a really exciting opportunity for those who enjoy video editing and creating. As an AI video creator, you'll use AI tools to create and edit videos for businesses. This includes using AI to generate video content, editing the videos, and adding visual effects. You'll need to have a good understanding of video editing software and be able to use AI tools to improve the quality of your videos. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for an AI video editor is $65,000 per year, but keep in mind that this can vary based on your experience and the specific industry you work in. Now here are some websites where you can find AI video editor jobs: Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. Now before we wrap up, let me share some quick tips for landing your first AI job. First, make sure to highlight your relevant skills in your resume or portfolio. If you don't have any direct experience with AI, be sure to showcase your willingness to learn and your ability to quickly learn new technologies. Next, consider getting certified in AI to demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. There are a number of AI certifications available from organizations like IBM and Google. Finally, don't be afraid to start with an entry-level AI job. It's important to get your foot in the door and start gaining experience. As you gain more experience, you can move into more senior roles. And remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so be prepared to learn and adapt as the industry changes. With the rapid pace of technological advancement, the demand for skilled AI professionals is only going to grow in the coming years. So if you're ready to take the next step in your career and explore the world of AI, be sure to check out the job postings on the websites we've discussed today. Who knows? You might just find your dream job. So there you have it, 7 AI jobs that you can start from home in 2025 that actually pay well. Don't wait another minute to start your journey towards a brighter future with AI. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning and stay curious.